Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have lime essential oil from doTERRA. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all guys, it's in a 15 milliliter bottle. That's about 250 drops, so a ton of essential oil. It's gonna last a ton of time, a long time. The scent of this is just amazing guys. It's just so good. It just smells so invigorating, so sweet. It just smells like a bunch of limes are in your room and you just cut them all open and it just has that amazing, uplifting, energizing scent. It's one of my favorite scents that there is, and once I used lime from doTERRA, I have never ever wanted to use a different lime essential after that, and I think you will have the same experience as well. It's also very purifying, very cleansing. It's just a great essential oil overall. You can use this topically in a diffuser, many other different ways. My favorite thing about this, guys, just has to be that fact that it's from doTERRA, and doTERRA does a ton of testing to make sure that what the bottle says is in here is actually in here. Not a lot of other companies actually do that. I just really like to have the confidence to be able to use this, knowing that, and I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.